Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing some Flower Beauty. If you don't know Flower Beauty, it is owned by Drew Barrymore. Yes, the Drew Barrymore. So she's come out with a whole collection of items and I want to share some with you today, as well as a wear test for tonight at work. I'm going to be using this palette today, which is one of her Wanderlust palettes, and then I'll be doing a wear test for about 8 hours this evening at work. It's still really hot and humid in Maryland, so this is a good wear test. So earlier today, after I showered, I put on some black tea from Fresh Beauty as an essence, and then I put on my Super Restorative Total Concentrate eye cream, which I love so much. Okay, so the beauty blender that I'm using is the new blue one that they just came out with. And if you didn't know yet, that Ulta does sell a beauty blender now. Ta-da! Right now they have the cleansing, as well as the cleansing balm, as well as the beauty blenders. Right now I believe the only one they have is pink, but still they sell them. So I'm hoping that their stock goes up. Alright, so primer. These the Flower Beauty. This is In Your Prime Hydrating Primer. Alright, so then I'm going to be doing the Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation, and my shade is Natural Beige. Let me go wet my beauty blender. So once you wet it, it does increase in size. Alright, let's get started with this. I'm going to take some of my Exuvience. This is the toning neck cream. Now this foundation is a light illusion. It's not a flat matte foundation. Now I have a couple of bug bites on me. Got one right there, right there, right there. Huh, sad situation. So I am going to take some of my Miracle Worker Instant Touch Up Stick, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to each spot. Wow. gonna let that set for a few. I'm gonna let this set for just a few minutes to dry, and then I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just gonna buff that concealer in a little with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to take the Sephora Pro All Over Powder number 61, and I'm just going to take the translucent setting powder and dab it just a little bit, tap it off, and go in. And just get rid of that glow a little bit. For my brows, I'm going to be using Precisely My Brow from Benefit in shade number 3. NARS Creamy Concealer in shade Vanilla. Shade Insurance from Too Faced. From Flower Beauty. This is one of their eyeshadow palettes. This one is Austin, which is Downtown Dusk. Intense color payoff, city-inspired looks. Da, da, da. All right, let's go in with this light shade. These are mostly metallics, and these two shades are matte. Go all over with the brown as a base. So this looks like more of an orange, but it's really not. It's more of a light tan. Oreo, please. No. Hey, no. No, no. Oreo. Hello? No! Come here. Come here. No. Don't you do it. shade and do on the outside corner. I'm going to take a blending brush. This is the Morphe E22 and just brush in towards my nose. I'm going to do this golden color right here. Very, very pretty. Put it on the inside. To the middle. It's like a copper. And then take that blending brush again and just blend the top of it out to make it soft. I'm going to take this smudge brush from Sephora. It is a number 11 Pro Smudge. I'm going to go into this terracotta color and go under my lash. Glossy gel eyeliner in Purple Quartz. And I'm going to go line the top of my eye. Taking the lighter shade here and doing the inner corner of my eye. The Anastasia Beverly Hills in Rich Amber. That is my most favorite color from her bronzer line. Now, I did get some lipsticks actually from Flower Beauty as well, but I also got this, which is the Ultimate Lip Butter from them. It's called a Hydra Stick. So I have tried their lipsticks before, which I love. This I have not tried before, so let's go in with this. This is the color UL4, and I don't know what that is, but it's like a peachy color. So let's go in with that. Feels really nice and hydrating. I don't think it's one that's going to dry down to a matte. It's like a gloss, and it really does feel like butter, so it feels really good on your lips. I'm going to use the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup for my mascara today. So this is the final look for today. My thoughts on some of the beauty is I have worn these lipsticks before and they are awesome. They're very creamy and they stay on for long wearing. They do not dry down, so you do have to reapply. This is the butter, what did I say it was called? Ultimate Lip Butter, and this is it's more of a sheer cream. It does glide on like butter. It feels really great and hydrating. The foundation is a medium to full coverage foundation. I only put on one application and it feels nice and soft. I did put powder over top of it. It is an a luminous finish, not a matte. And the eyeshadows actually blended really well in the palette. This one actually is a very, very faint whitish gold, so you do have to apply that a couple times if you really want that pop. But other than that, oh, the eyeliner. The eyeliner, the one I used was the gel. The one that I used was the Amethyst gel, or I'm sorry, Purple Quartz gel. And I just did that on my top. It glided on very gently, very easily, and did not smudge. I didn't want it to smudge, so it actually worked perfectly. So let's wrap this up, and I'm going to work for about 8 hours, and then I'll do a 10:30 p.m. review afterwards. All right, I'll catch you then. So this is my 12-hour wear test on Flower Beauty, and of course I did eat, and of course my lipstick is some of it's still there actually, but my lips feel very, very hydrated from that lipstick that I had, and my eye makeup is great, no creasing, and my foundation wore very well in the store. So overall, I am really pleased with everything that I've tried from there. So yeah, congratulations on the new brand, and I'll be buying more of that as well. I think it still looks great from what I put on today. So nothing ran, nothing smeared, and everything's still intact. Thanks again so much for watching. I will link everything down below on all of the products that I used and colors, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks again so much, and as always, God bless.